Hi guys, today I'm going to be changing the impeller on a Suzuki DF4 engine. First of all, you need to remove this cap to access the gear linkage. Then you take a 10mm socket and loosen this bolt. I might have to get my dad to help me with this one. Once you've loosened the gear linkage, take a 12mm spanner and undo these nuts. Once you've undone the nuts, the bottom of the drive will then pull off, but I'm going to get my dad to help me on this one because it's heavy. This is the water pump. You'll need a 10mm spanner to undo these nuts. Once you've undone the nuts, you can slide the pump off the shaft. Then you need to remove the old impeller from the pump and push your new one in. Once you've put the new impeller in, slide the pump down the shaft. Now's the tricky part. You need to line the woodruff key with the groove in the impeller. Now you need to put the 4 nuts back on to secure the pump.
1 week later.
Okay, so we had a slight problem. 3 out of 4 of the bolts had snapped off, so we had to order some new ones. We're now going to put the lower unit back into the engine. Don't forget to reconnect the gear linkage when fitting the lower unit. You also need to make sure the gearbox and the gear selector are both in neutral. All that's left to do is now put back on the 2 12mm nuts. And that's how you change your impeller on a Suzuki DF4. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye!